It's a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,